Namaste. In last session, we understood the urine is not waste, it is best. We understood the difference between stool and urine, that is fecal matter and urine. Urine, we understood that it is a byproduct of our blood. It is an overflow of the blood. With the help of kidneys, blood constituents are regulated and whatever is excess in the blood is taken out as urine. Then people do ask, if it is excess, but it is excreted, na? So why would we want it to use again? Well, the function of the kidneys is to keep the various substances in our blood is balanced, that we already understood. Now, the kidneys do not filter out important substances of the blood because these substances in themselves are toxic or poisonous or bad for the body, but simply because the body does not need the particular concentration of the substances at that time it was excreted. And medical researchers have discovered that many of the substances of the blood that are found in urine have enormous medicinal value, and when they are reintroduced orally in the body, they boost the body's immune defenses and stimulate healing in a way that nothing else does. For instance, the kidneys filter out water and sodium from the blood into the urine. Are water and sodium toxic? Of course not. They both are vital life-sustaining substances without which our body cannot function. But both substances could be lethal if they were too much water or sodium in our blood. Now, what about potassium, calcium, magnesium? These are all familiar nutrients that we ingest in our food as well as vitamin pills every day, but they are also comes in urine. Many nutritional substances are extremely valuable substances to the body, certainly not toxic, and yet the kidneys excrete these substances into the urine. Why? Because it is taking out the excess amount of potassium and calcium extra that is not needed by our body at that particular time, so they are filtered out. The most important point we need to understand here is actually it is regulating process of the kidney and the excretion of urine that allows us to eat and drink more than our bodies need at given particular time. So if we reuse urine orally, it is as if we are taking already processed food by our body. Again we are taking. So to a layman public, urine seems like an undesirable waste product of the body. But now the medical research community and the drug industry has done a lot of research on urine and they considered urine to be a liquid gold. So don't worry about the excretion. If we take it orally back, it is as if you are taking the food in your body, already processed food of your body. Thank you.